5 minutes on trail and coming across our first water crossing, heading into Dinky Lakes Wilderness. It is Friday, May 20th. This is my second creek crossing of the day. You ready?
Yep.
Here's the trail. Tonight for dinner, I got some Cheez-Its, summer sausage, olives, cheese, and some circus crackers, or animal cookies. It was a 7-mile hike in here today, is what it came out to, and it is a little after 6 o'clock, I believe, here at Rock Meadow at the little cowboy camp. Here at Rock Meadow in Dinky Lakes Wilderness, and it is after 7, 7:30, 7:45, something like that. It's a balmy 44 degrees, and temperature is dropping rapidly. It's going to be an early night tonight. That's what I can feel it already. Just look at this meadow. Let's look behind me. Look at this place. Freaking gorgeous. Yeah, so it was 7 miles in here is what it came out to be. And we had to start a mile before the trailhead because there were some trees down and a big patch of snow. So we started there. And that last mile to the trailhead's a steep one. So we started off walking uphill. The dogs did good. They were off the leash most of the way in here. I guess we came across two hikers, and that's all we saw. But Forest Service said that the quota was met, so I don't know if people came and realized they couldn't get to the trailhead, so they went back home or went somewhere else, or what the deal was. But we came on in. It was not bad. Got there, hopped the creek twice, I believe, right off the bat. Funny thing is, I put on my Crocs to cross the water, and then I knew there was another water crossing, but I don't know, we went a little ways, and I stopped and put on my trail runners again, and then went about 100 yards and had to put on my Crocs. So bad planning on my part, I guess. Just a beautiful, quiet, peaceful night here. That's it for day one. We'll see what day two holds tomorrow. The plan was to go to Rodeo Meadow, but with as much snow as I came across today coming into here, I know there's going to be too much there, and I might just do a little day trip over the hill to Rodeo Meadow and then come back and just leave my camp set up here. All right, talk to you later. Look at the dogs in the background. They're running around, playing. They like this place too. All right, good evening. Pretty icy morning at Rock Meadow. Beautiful. Bluebird sky. What do you think, Minnie? Maggie's enjoying the morning too. Got a little brookie on. This place is loaded with them. Cooking up some trout for lunch. This is day two of the Dinky Lakes Wilderness adventure. I mentioned yesterday that we wanted to go to Rodeo Meadow today, but decided to just stay here in Rock Meadow. I couldn't talk myself into going to Rodeo Meadow. It was icy here this morning, and the fishing was spectacular. And then I hiked up above. I took Big Creek and went up about a mile or probably about 2 miles, and just kind of scouted around and found some nice camps along the creek up a little higher. Something I hadn't even thought about before. It was nice to just explore this area just a little bit more. It's a beautiful day. Had fish tacos for lunch. Had a dehydrated Texas chili for dinner. It's just after 6:30. I just kind of enjoyed the evening, just sitting out here in the middle of the meadow. As you can see, it's bluebird sky. This is exactly why I do things like this. Listening to the water run, the wind blow through the trees, birds chirping. Even got some coyotes yelping in the background already. So, all right, we'll call this the end of day two. Just before 8 o'clock, leaving Rock Meadow, heading to the Dinky Lakes Wilderness trailhead via first Dinky Lake. So, I think we'll be out of here within 3 hours. All right, see you later. On our way back to the trailhead, we've already passed first Dinky Lake. We're just hiking along Dinky Creek. Making decent time. It's about 8:45. Left at 7:45, so we're doing good. It's pretty high this morning. Little patches of snow here and there.